Do you know drip feeding content is an interesting option for LMS? LearnDash comes with the drip feed feature that allows you to restrict content access to the users till a specific date or after X days of course enrollment. But what if you want to restrict users' access to lessons, topics, and quizzes until they complete any specific lesson, topic or quiz? With custom drip feed messages and useful tags. Once you install and activate drip feed content extended for LearnDash, you will see a new menu under LearnDash. This video is actually all about it. For drip feeding content, you just go to the drip feed dashboard and enable the option you want to drip and save it. To drip feed lesson, topic or quiz content, you just go to the Setting tab and select Release Schedule as per your choice and update it. You follow the same steps to drip feed lessons, topics as well as quizzes. After this, you will see the lesson, topic and quiz have been dripped successfully. Along with this, drip feed content extended for LearnDash allows you to restrict lesson, topic, and quiz access for specific groups. Let's drip feed the lesson for specific group. Simply select a release schedule, put the details and update it. Here you go. This lesson for a specific group has been dripped successfully. This is how this plugin works. For more details visit ldninjas.com.